So in topic 3, what we basically do is we start our kind of discussion of inferential statistics. And more specifically, what we're going to do is we're going to understand concepts such as a random experiment, and we're going to look at um, when an event is occurring within that random experiment, what's the probability or the chances of that event happening within that random experiment? The experiment, when it's conducted randomly, means that there is no certainty with what the outcome is going to be, but we do know what all the possible outcomes are. And so if we know all the possible outcomes, but not which outcome will occur when an experiment happens, that's how we can then start to talk about what are the chances that any particular one of those possible events happens. The reason why that becomes important, again, is because we're typically not going to, if we want to make inferences to a larger situation, we typically are going to have to conduct an experiment. And we would then make conclusions to the population based on the results of that experiment and the probability of any of those events happening. Okay, so I know that maybe sounds a bit confusing just talking about what probability is, but hopefully as we kind of work through it, it'll become a little bit clearer.